All right, here we go. 2007 Freightliner Century Class. Do you guys that subscribe to my channel remember this? This truck is still going after I rebuilt it in the backyard, man. Still getting it, son. Yes, sir. This is a coolant reservoir video. And the reason I have to make this because my freaking cap, when I rebuilt this truck, I went ahead and got a new reservoir because I wanted it clean like that. Bought it off Amazon, and I mean, it worked for a few years, man. But the reason I'm changing it is because, see the cap? See, keeps on spinning, keeps on spinning, keeps on spinning. It's stripped. And here's the thing. I didn't know if it was the cap that was stripped. I looked at the cap, the threads look fine. I looked at the reservoir threads on it, they look fine. I don't know which one's stripping, man. So I went ahead, it was $66 in my local Freightliner. So I bought a new one and put it in. And this is gonna be a quick video because this is pretty simple to do. It ain't a big job. And let me quit yakking and let's get to it quickly. So your reservoir, by the way, I've been missing a nut here and I'm gonna run and get one, but anyway. Missing, yeah, just that one nut. All right, anyway, this is it. Like I said, it was $66 for change at my local Freightliner. Took the old hose here off my old one. It went back here, just slipped on, whip, like that. All right, you see this front one here? This hose is this hose here. This goes to here. Okay, that goes to the top lift of the radiator on the driver's side. So the front of this goes to the top lift on the top of the lift on the radiator on the driver's side. The back plug towards the firewall, towards the windshield. This one jumps right on over and goes to the thermostats. All right, simple. See this plug here? That's for your sensor. So unscrew the sensor, put some Teflon tape on it, screw it in this one, the bottom right there. This for guys who's never worked on your truck, man. If you don't work on your truck, work on your truck. Try to do it yourself, guys. This is not a hard job. Don't pay Freightliner or whoever your local shop $200 for an hour's work or whatever they got to do for this, man. This is cost $66, say 70 bucks, $75 tops. You know, and I bought 2 gallons of coolant to put in it, and that's it. So anyway, the bottom here, take that hose off, slide it off. That's the big hose right here, no problem. Down here where your air governor is, not air governor, but this the switch for your fan. This is your fan switch, man. Turns the fan on and off. Just unscrew it. As a matter of fact, on mine there's a nut on top. Take the nut off, and you don't even have to take this off because this is on the nut right there. See, so your nut just goes against that with a washer, and that bracket right here is actually on the stud behind this, so you don't even got to take that off. Just take your nut off and the whole, see the top left nut right there, top right one, bottom here I'm supposed to have one, over here 4 of them. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna lose coolant, okay? Yeah, I'll take a piece of cardboard and just dump it out here, but you can take a funnel or something, put it in and try to catch it, but you're gonna lose that much fluid in your tank plus a little bit out your lines. Keep your lines up in the air as you're doing this. You know, set them to the side so the fluid won't run out. But this is easy as pie, man. This is a quick video, it's easy. So if you guys ever had this problem, you know, do it yourself, man, don't pay nobody. So anyway, long story short, 4 nuts, bam, 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 bam. 2 hoses here, one on towards the firewall, goes to your thermostats, and one to the front, goes to the top lift of the radiator. Teflon tape, put your sensor in, put your couple gallons in here, and ride out into the sunset. See how clean and beautiful it looks? That's pretty, ain't it? Oh, pretty fluid. All right, man, so that's how you do that. And until we meet again, there's a couple more videos got coming. I'm starting to pick the channel back up. You guys subscribe, like and subscribe. I think this is the first time I've ever asked somebody to do that since I've been doing this channel. But yeah, man, if I'm helping you, if you find any value in this, if I'm helping you at all, like and subscribe. I got more coming. All right, appreciate you. Peace.